Hello everyone, I welcome you all for costing methods and techniques class. This is another problem on process costing. So here is the problem. ABC Limited processes a patent material used in building industries. The material is produced in three consecutive grades, that is soft, medium and hard. Particular soft, medium and hard. Next line, raw materials used at rupees 100 per ton. So soft is 500. Manufacturing wages and expenses, weight lost. So this is nothing but normal loss. Scrap value, it is nothing but realizable value. And then sale price per ton. Management expenses were rupees 8,750 and selling expenses rupees 5,000, not allowed at any processes. Two-thirds of the output of process soft and half of the output of process medium are passed on to the next processes and the balance are sold. The entire output of process hard is sold. Prepare three process accounts and a statement of profit. Okay, so here we are going to learn new thing is statement of profit. Okay. Yes, now same like we need to prepare all three process accounts, that is process soft, medium and hard. Okay. Yes. So first here we are going to take raw materials to raw materials. Okay, quantity is 500, rate is already given 100, so the amount is 5,000. Next, to manufacturing wages and expenses. Okay, so amount is 45,125. Okay, so next they have given normal loss, right? Weight lost is 5%. This is calculated on input. Next line. $500 into 5%. So that is equals to 25 units. But this is not having realizable value, right? So here we can record by normal loss, that is 25. There is no realizable value for this. Why? Because here they have given us the scrap sale price rupees 25 per ton, and for each process they have given how much is scrap, 25 tons, 20 tons, 25 tons, right? So 25 rupees per ton is the realizable value, so that we treat it as scrap. Okay, it is 25 tons and the rate is 25 and the amount will be 625. Amount will be 625. Okay. Yes. Now here they haven't given us anything related to abnormal loss or gain, so we will not have that working note over here. Okay. Now what they have told, go through the problem. Here you can read last paragraph. 2/3 of the output of process soft and half of the output of process medium. Okay, that we will see later, and the balance are sold. Okay, so 2/3 is transferred to process medium and then balance is sold. Okay, yes. Now what we are going to do is we will close this account. Close this. So here it is 500 and the amount is 95,125. 500 95,125. Okay, now only 2/3 is transferred to next process and the remaining is sold, right? Now what we will do is first we will find out cost per unit of this, that is equals to total cost is 95,125 minus realizable value is 625 divided by input is 500 minus normal loss is 50. That is equals to rupees 210. That is equals to rupees 210. Now how much should be transferred to process medium, that we are going to find out. So we will have one third working note, that is calculation of amount transferred to process medium account. Okay, now total cost is 95,125 less normal loss. Okay, so normal loss is 625. So that is equals to 94,500. 94,500. Now 2/3 will be transferred to next process, right? So 94,500 into 2/3. So that is 63,000. So that is 63,000. Okay, so this is transferred to process medium account. So here we are going to take by process, that is transferred to process medium account, transfer to process medium account, that is 63,000, and rate per unit already we have calculated, that is 210. Okay, and the quantity will be 63,000 divided by 210, you will get 300. You will get 300. Okay, now rest part, which will be sold by sales. Okay, that is 150, balance will be 150, and here it is 210, and the amount will be 31,500. Hope so everybody is understanding this. Okay, now same like we need to prepare it for, now here total cost, it includes, now whatever total cost we have calculated, it includes raw materials as well as manufacturing wages and expenses, but this we assume this also includes normal loss. So whatever realizable value of normal loss is there, that we are going to deduct. Okay, that is 625. So once we deduct it, we will get 94,500. So this 94,500, out of this 2/3 will be transferred to process medium account, and whatever rest of the balance will be sold. Okay, so that is what we have taken. Now same thing we need to calculate for process medium as well. Okay, now whatever we have transferred to process medium, that has to be taken on the debit side in the process medium account to process soft account. Okay, that is 300 units, rate is 210, and the amount is 63,000. Amount is 63,000. Now next, to manufacturing wages and expenses, that is 17,000. Okay, yes. Now next is normal loss, we need to find out by normal loss. We'll have working note for this. Normal loss is 10%, so input is 300 into 10%, that is equals to 30. So normal loss is 30. There is no realizable value for this. Next is scrap. Okay, so scrap they have given, go through the chart, there we will get 20 tons into 25, so that is 500. Okay, now again we need to close this. Close this and find out cost per unit. So here it is 300, and the total is 80,000. Same thing here, 300, 80,000. Okay, Yes. So that is equals to total cost is 80,000 minus realizable value of normal loss is 500. So divided by input is 300 minus normal loss is 50. So that will be equals to rupees 318. That will be equals to rupees 318. Now again third working note, that is calculation of amount transferred to process hard account. Okay, so two-third we are going to, no, half we are going to transfer, right? So cost total cost is 80,000 less normal loss. Okay, normal loss is 500. So that is divided by 79,500. Okay, now how much we are going to transfer it? Just go through the problem again. So what they have told, half of the output of process medium are transferred to next process, half. That is 79,500 into half. So that is equals to 39,500. 39,500. Okay, yes. Go through the problem. By transferred to process hard account. Okay, so how much we are transferring? Half of the amount we are transferring, that is 39,750. Rate already we have calculated, that is 318. $39,750 divided by 318, that is 125. 125. Now by sales. So as half they have transferred, so half will be the balance sold. 39,750. Okay, so this is process medium. The same calculation will be for process hard as well. So next line, take down process hard account. So first whatever output we have, whatever we are going to transfer it, that we are going to take it. So that is by to process medium account. Okay, 125 units, rate is 318, and the amount is 39,750. 39,750. Okay, next is to manufacturing wages and expenses. Amount is 4,375. Okay, again calculate normal loss by normal loss. Working note for that. Input is 125 into rate of normal loss is 20%. So that is equals to 25. So again this will be not having any realizable value. Next, scrap. Now scrap is already given in the problem. That is 25 tons at rupees 25 each. So the amount will be 625, right? Yes. Now calculate cost per unit. Close this. This is 125. If there is abnormal loss or gain, only then we will roughly close first, find out cost per unit, and then we will be closing process accounts. But as there is no abnormal loss or gain, so directly we will be closing this. So that is 44,125. This is 125. 44,125. Okay, so total cost is 44,125 minus realizable value of normal loss is 625 divided by input is 125 minus normal loss is 50. So that is equals to rupees 580. Rupees 580. Okay. Yes. Now whole thing is sold. What they have given, whether we need to transfer it. The entire output of process hard is sold. Okay, now here by sales 75, rate is 580, and the amount is 43,500. Okay, now they have asked us to prepare income statement as well. So as I have told us to prepare income statement, so we are preparing statement over here, particulars, quantity, rate, and two amount columns. Now under particulars, so first what we are going to take is sale value of process soft. Okay, so how much we have sold, that we are going to take quantity. Now go to process soft account. Process soft account, how much we have sold? 150. Okay, but this is cost price, cost per unit. So this is not selling price. Selling price is given in the problem. Selling price per ton is 275 for soft. 275 for soft. So quantity is 150 and the rate is 275 and the amount is 41,250. Okay, now from this we are going to deduct cost price to find out profit. Less cost price of process soft. Cost price of process soft. So again the quantity is same 150. Rate differs. Go to process soft account, see here sales. Cost price is 210. Cost price is how much? 210 and the amount is 31,500. It is 210 and the amount is 31,500. Okay, now 41,250 minus 31,500. So outer column 9,750. 9,750. Hope so everybody is understanding this. Next, same thing. Sale value of process medium. Okay, now go to process medium account. They have sold 125 units and selling price per ton is 350 for medium, right? So here it is 125, rate is 350 and the amount is 43,750. 43,750. Same thing, from this we are going to deduct less cost price of process medium. It is 125 and the rate per unit is 318. Rate is 318. Okay, and the amount is 39,750. 39,750. Okay, now deduct this 43,750 minus 39,750. So that is 4,000. 4,000. Next, same thing for sale value of process hard. $75 units. Okay, and the selling price is 600, which is given in the chart. So that is 45,000. Now next, from this less cost price of process hard 75 and here it is 580 and the amount is 43,500. So now 45,000 minus 43,500, 1,500. Okay, yes. Now this is nothing but this is profit of each process, right? So that we are going to add it. So here you can show total. Add this, that is 9,750 plus 4,000 plus 1,500, that is 15,250. So this is not your profit. 15,250 is not profit. There is another adjustment they have given over here. Just go through the problem. After the chart, see, management expenses were rupees 8,750 and selling expenses rupees 5,000, not allocated to any process. So these two expenses we have not taken it in any processes. Now this we are going to show it in the income statement. So manufacturing management expenses and selling expenses we are going to show it here. So it is an expense, right? So expenses always we need to deduct. So less management expenses. Okay, management expense is 8,750. 8,750. Now there is one more expense, that is selling expenses. Selling expenses is how much? 5,000. Okay, now whatever remains, that is profit. So whatever remains will be your profit. So deduct this, you will get 1,500. Okay, so the profit is 1,500. Okay, hope so this problem is clear to everyone. Please go through the problem, solve it again. Okay, please go through the income statement also. Okay, nothing we have done much. Selling price of each process minus cost price of each process, and whatever other expenses they have given, we have deducted and we have ascertained how much is profit for the work done. Okay, so this is how we prepare. Okay, so see you in next class.